Welcome. In this video, we'll talk about order assigning process and how table management works with color codes. Each table color reflects its current status. Gray reflects that the table is inactive or empty. Blue, that the table is currently running. Green, the final bill is printed, usually used in takeaway and pickup orders. Pink, it's paid but the food is currently being cooked. And yellow, the KOT is printed, the order is being prepared. These colors give you an instant overview of all the tables and help you to manage the workflow efficiently. Assign to feature. You can assign orders to specific staff like captain, waiter, or a delivery person using the assign to option. By default, it assigns the order to the biller logged in. This only works if the owner has created additional roles in the backend settings. If you want to pause an order for some time, you can use hold order feature. For example, if a table orders starters first, you can pause the billing there and resume when they order the main course. Live view in the table management section gives you an overall look of the things happening in the restaurant. For example, like KOT, delivery, takeaway, and the bill paid. Advanced order feature. You can schedule orders for future date and time. You can also select the mode of payment and add notes if required. This is best for parties, events, and big organizations.